So I don't know what's going on with this, but it ain't working. Now I gotta friggin' use manual. I don't have my own manual. I gotta use this company's, and this shit's heavy. Back to the grind for real, man. It don't stop. Some things are in your favor, some things are not, but no matter what, you keep pushing. The life. Oh well, there's always somebody in your pocket taking your money. Gotta get this fixed. So I'm loaded. I got 4 skids on. Wasn't too bad. But now I gotta worry about the pump truck, the electric pump truck. I gotta worry. That's on my brain now. How much is this gonna be? Is it a little fix? Is it an expensive fix? It's like shit just keeps adding up. I'm already at $5,000 loss, man. How much more do I need to be spending? And the month just started. Like these things just put you in a downward spiral, man. Like, give me a break. Holy shit, man. This is just one thing after the other, but you just gotta somehow find peace in it, somehow be strong. They say things are for a reason, so we'll truly see what's the reason for me spending this money when I could be putting it aside for certain other little things. But we shall see. Time will tell, right? Anyways, I'm here in Oakville. I picked up. I'm on my way now to Brampton to do a drop-off, and then from there I think it's North York, it's Concord, it's Barrie, it's back to Brampton, it's Burlington. So stick with me, guys. Enjoy my view. See y'all when I get to the drop-off destination. I'm at my first drop-off, and it's good when you run into certain people, you know, that you see online. It's good, man. You know, say your truck is marked so people know. CEOs from YouTube, from Instagram, from TikTok, and then we can connect when you guys see me on the road, right? Dap up each other, and it's all love, man. It's a trucking industry. But yeah, I'm at the first drop off, get these 4 skids off, and then I'm on to my next. So far the day is looking lovely, as you can see through my eyes. Lovely day. Hopefully it stays this way. See you guys at my next pickup. Now it wants to work. Like, I don't get it. But you know what? I'm happy that it's working because I got some heavy skids to deal with today. And I definitely don't want to be doing it by hand. So thank you. Thank you for giving me that little scare this morning. Knock on these guys' door and see if they need any moving stuff done. That way my name keeps getting spread around. CEO's Logistics. That delivery was far. When people say Barrie, you're thinking, you know, the downtown Barrie core in and around. This was at the end. This was at the end of Barrie. It's far as shit, man. But it is what it is, right? So I'm on my way back now. I'm going to North York to do a 2-skid pickup. Then I'm gonna go to Brampton, depending on the time, because I gotta pick up and drop off in Brampton, and then probably just go straight after I do the Brampton straight to Burlington, drop off from there and call it a day, because a delivery now just got canceled because it's not ready. So it is what it is, man. It's Friday. All right, just reached another location here. So this will be my 3rd pickup. You guys, use this Motive app, man. It only makes sense. It's easy to use. You don't have to waste time. And no more books. Bam, there you go. How you doing, brother? Picking up for Rich Pinion, 2 skids. Yeah. Going to Burlington. Okay. Alright, just like that, we're on our way to Burlington. That's it, man. Oh, before I even drive off, what I have to do is log back in and then just hit drive. That's it, on my way. You guys, man, use this log Motive app. Saves you time, paperwork, and all that bullshit. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to 5100 South Service. Go to my maps. 5100. Right, South Service, Burlington. And that will take me an hour, 2:25. Alright. That drop off 2 skids here in Burlington, that was easy. Ooh, this is nice. And this is an old one too, but that's nice. Yeah. But yeah, that drop off is done. Now I gotta fly out to Brampton, do a pickup 4 skids, drop off in Brampton, and that should be a wash. That should be my Friday. But we'll see if anything else pops up and we'll go from there. Let me go this way so I can just jump right on the highway. Highway's not looking too bad. There is a MTO pullover stop. Hopefully the lights are not on. If they are on, I'll take you guys through the process so you can see what it's like going through that. Four skids, and you can see money has already been sent. Money been sent. Thank you. Off to drop off, then go get myself a haircut. Since it's Mother's Day, I want to look good for the wifey, you know. Yeah, man. Friday, day in the life. Lost 5 grand, but I'm on my way to make it back. I gotta look at it that way. Thank you guys for watching, following, subscribing, and all that bullshit. Trust me, I appreciate you guys.